I was waiting for the thunder to hit real loud again. Scared the crap out of me. Like, I'm out here moving stuff, trying to get all situated, make my day better, and then all of a sudden it gotta start pouring and thundering, and it already lightning once. But I wonder, I think they said something like in between thunders, that's how far away the storm is or something. I know you guys probably can't see the, oh yeah, you can see the rain now. Oh, like I'm standing inside the garage and I'm getting soaked. Oh yeah, this is definitely making the day better. You got me wet like right inside of here. Oh. Ay. This is a mess. How can I make a day better with this going on? People trying to scam me on eBay. Freaking GoPro getting ruined. Ay. These videos may be kind of stupid, but all I can say is it's life. You gotta roll with the punches sometimes. Wow. I'm gonna go back out. I gotta get the truck unloaded. I'm gonna leave you guys on a step here. See if you can record the thunder. I don't know if it'll work. Alright, well, let's get back out there. See, this is what you gotta do to make money when you don't have a full-time job. Everybody says the type of work I do is easy. Yeah, right. You don't have to do this. Alright, so the rain's slowing down a little bit, but I'm already soaked. I don't know. I do not know anymore. Now I know you guys heard that. Makes me want to like stand out there and start screaming like, what else you got? Come on, throw it at me. Cause this thing can't get much worse, so that's what I feel like doing, just staying out in the rain when it's thundering and lightning and just yelling at the damn sky. What else you got? What else you doing throw at me? Come on, I can handle it. Get a damn hammer after you this. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that's the good stuff. I had to clean my gloves. I know YouTube videos aren't fun when you keep hearing somebody complain, so let me get off of here and stop complaining. Thank y'all for watching. I hope y'all have a better day than I am. Most of my YouTube things, I try not to have a filter on it. Try to just let you know what goes on a daily basis in the life of a storage locker buyer, which I haven't bought many storage lockers I don't buy many storage lockers during the summer. If you guys are still following me during winter time, I buy probably close to 200 in one winter. From about November to February is when I buy a lot. I wouldn't say 200 total, but maybe 80 to 90 is my guess. But some are small, some are big. I don't know. Alright, well, I'll see you guys next time. Thank you for watching this adventure. Thunder sounded pretty cool. I wonder what that will sound like on this. And I hope you guys caught the 3 lightning strikes. Well, the 3 lightning flashes. Alright, I'll see you guys later. Bye.